Within IntelliJ, the first thing I would like to do is simply create a new package, and the name is customer. And then in the customer package, I would like to create a class customer. This will be our model in here. And now let's define some attribute for our customer. Private long ID, private string name. Then we also have email. And the last one is address. Next, let's generate the constructor. Okay, I will select on, and then I would like to create another one. And in this time, we'll exclude the ID. I will explain why does not have the ID in the constructor later on. And the next thing I would like to do is generate getter and setter for all fields. And the last one is toString. Okay, cool. Now we have a fun view or setting for our customer. We have this all field, constructor, getter, setter, and toString method. The next thing I am going to do is open demo application here. Now we already have customer. Instead of string, I would like to change to customer, and then one else, and the name is Bob, and the email is bob@gmail.com, and the address will be US, and the method name is get customer. Let's rerun the application again. So before we have Hello World API, if I reload the page, so you can see in here is return for us customer object display with the JSON body within the array in here. This is because in the REST controller it had the annotation is response body. So response body will auto convert our object to the JSON body. So this is awesome, as you can see how easy to set up very simple customer API. So right here, we already have this customer class, and also we expose the customer API with GET request. Now let's apply our customer API into this controller layer to make the correct approach. But firstly, we will set up the controller layer. Then I will show you how easy to set up the service layer and also repository layer.